Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're thinking about playing the games on your Steam Deck offline, yes, you can do it, but just be aware. Some games might require online authentication at first boot, some no, some require third-party launcher update. So yes, if you want to play Diablo 4, which is like you need to have a stable internet connection, you won't be able to play it, right, offline. But there you're gonna have like, I don't know what kind of games. When I'm going to look here on the Steam charts, let's say that you want to like, I don't know what kind of Stardew Valley, let's say, right, offline. You can probably play it offline. So what you want to do is this. You want to download the game, install the updates, and turn off the Wi-Fi, turn off the data, whatever, and just play it offline. This is the best way. This is someone enrolled here. My advice: to update everything, switch to offline mode, and test if the games run offline 1 day before you travel. Do this, and it's going to save you a lot of difficulty, because let's say you're on the ship, you're in the plane, right? You're traveling with your family in a car, and goddamn, you want to play the game and you can't. But this is the way how you can do it. So do it 1 day before.